How can I help you? Yes. What time does the swimming pool open today? Let's see. What is the day today? It's Tuesday. Tuesday. Of course, the swimming pool opens at 10:30 today. And what time does it close? It usually closes at 8 o'clock, but it closes at quarter to 6 today. I see. Can I help you something else? Yes. When is cricket? Is it today? No, it isn't. Cricket is on Wednesday at 4:30. What time does it finish? Well, the timetable says 6 o'clock, but it usually finishes at 10 past 6. And when is table tennis? Let's see. Table tennis. Table tennis is from quarter to 5 to quarter past 6 on Monday. Can I help you with something else? Yes. When is hockey match? Is it today? No, it isn't. Hockey match is on Saturday at 4:30. What time does it finish? It usually finishes at 6 o'clock, but it will finish at quarter to 8 today. Oh, I see. That's great. Thanks for your help. You are very welcome. Bye bye. Bye.